In this lecture, we will see group ID, and I'm going to use this operation. So this group is recommended for roughing and finishing for outer or inner diameter. So I will use this option. And first I'm going to define a tool. So click, and my tool is this ID group left-handed. So this is a bigger tool, and I'm going to reduce this. Okay, and this adapter, I'm not using this adapter. So see, this is my tool. Okay, and okay, okay. So my tool is defined. Now I'm going to use the this groove tool, and groove left-handed ID tool is this, and my method is groove. So select groove from the method, and here from this cut region, see this material, all this material is going to be cut. So let's define the region, and my region is starting from this point and up to this second point. This is my cutting area. Okay, click OK, and plunging is my strategy. Forward direction it will cut, and variable if you want to constant. Okay, and the maximum step over, I'm going to use this 50 and generate. Say this, and click here, and if this non-cutting is not properly, you can use from this non-cutting move. Okay, and approach, direct, point. Okay, see, same we